Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to study some more journal entries based upon the transaction and classifying them as capital nature of transaction and revenue nature of transaction. Capital transactions or capital expenditure refers to those expenditure which gives benefit for more than 1 year. This you already know. But there comes a point like which expenditure has to be treated as capital or which has to be treated as revenue. So a point which we have already discussed in chapter 3 was whenever we purchased a fixed asset, then the amount used to install it and transport it, that means until the asset has been put into use, that all amount is added to that particular asset. That means the expense will be capitalized. And if there is an expense that is done afterwards, after the asset has been put into use, that will be treated as revenue expenditure. तो अगर आपने कोई एसेट खरीदी है तो उस पर अगर कोई ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कॉस्ट है, इंस्टॉलेशन कॉस्ट है, मतलब यूज़ करने से पहले की कोई भी कॉस्ट है, तो दैट विल बी डेबिटेड टू दैट एसेट्स अकाउंट ओनली. Like the first point is purchase goods for cash and spend 200 for carriage. Now in this case you are purchasing goods, you are not purchasing any fixed asset. तो यहाँ goods and carriage will be shown separately. Purchase account will be debited, carriage account will be debited, and cash will be credited. But in the second point, when you are purchasing machinery for cash and spend 500 for carriage, so in this case you are purchasing a fixed asset. And when we purchase a fixed asset, then carriage and other expenses till the point of its installation are added to its cost only. So here machinery account will be debited by 50,500, not by 50,000 but by 50,500, and cash will be credited by the same amount. Next is paid 2,000 for cement, 10,000 for timber, 5,000 wages for construction of building. Now all this expenditure is for the construction of building, for acquisition of a fixed asset. All these will be debited to building account only. Building account will be debited by 35,000. Cement, timber and wages will not be individually debited, but instead of that, building account will be debited by 35,000 and cash will be credited by 35,000. Next point said purchase in old machinery and spend 2,500 on its immediate repair. We have purchased an old machinery and before using it we are getting it repaired. So the expenditure is being done before putting the asset into use. This will also be capitalized. This 2,500 which we have spent on immediate repair will be debited to machinery account itself. So machinery account will be debited by 22,500 and cash will be credited by 22,500. Next is paid 500 to repairing some other machinery. 500 रुपये खर्च किए हमने अदर मशीनरी को रिपेयर करने के लिए. Then it will be machinery account, repair account, not machinery account, because the machinery is now in use. If you get some repair done before using that particular asset, then it is debited to that machinery account. But if any repair is done afterwards, then it will be debited to repairs account itself because it is a revenue expenditure. So the journal entries will look something like this. For the first point, when we are purchasing goods, we will separately debit purchase and carriage account. First will be purchase account debit 10,000, carriage account debit 200, to cash account 10,200. But in the next point, when we are purchasing machinery and paying carriage, that will be added to the machinery account. The entry will be machinery account debit to cash account 50,500. The expenditure which we did for construction of building, let it be timber or cement or anything else, that will be debited to building account. That entry will be building account debit to cash account. When we have purchased machinery and spent on its repair, we have purchased an old machinery and spent on its repair, that will be again a capital expenditure. Machinery account will be debited by 22,500 and to cash account 22,500. And last point was we got some repairs done of an existing machinery. For that we will do repairs account debit to cash account. Question number 18, again based on this topic. Purchase timber for Kuldeep for cash and credit. Purchase timber. Now the question, here we are purchasing timber from Kuldeep. Now in this question, the business is running a furniture business. Furniture business में timber means अगर wood आप purchase कर रहे हो तो that is an good for the business. So it will be debited to purchase account. If it will be any other business, then आप furniture account debit करेंगे. But since it will be treated as their raw material, purchase account will be debited. For cash you will create cash account, and for credit you will create Kuldeep Kumar. Then paid to Kuldeep Kumar in full settlement. Instead of 10,000 you paid 9,950. That 50,000 will be treated as discount received. Paid rent in advance, prepaid rent. Then purchase machinery for 1 lakh by check. Carriage and installation charges paid in cash. Now these expenses will not be written down separately by debiting carriage or installation expenses account, but these will be included in the machinery account itself. But when we will credit, check will be credited, bank will be credited by 1 lakh, and cash will be credited by 3,000 rupees. Last point states purchase goods and sold it to someone else. There will be two separate entries, one for purchase and one for sale. So the entries will look something like this. Purchase goods, purchase timber, but for this business these are goods. Purchase account debit by 12,000, cash will be credited by 2, and Kuldeep Kumar will be credited by 10,000. Then paid to Kuldeep Kumar 9,950 instead of 10,000, and that too in full settlement. That means the 50 rupees is discount received. Kuldeep Kumar will be debited by 10,000, cash will be credited by 9,950, and discount will be credited by 50 rupees. For the next transaction, that is rent paid in advance, we will write prepaid rent account debit to cash account. Next, machinery purchase and spent on carriage and installation. Machinery will be debited by full 1,03,000. Both the carriage as well as the installation will be added to machinery account. The amount that we have paid through check will be credited to bank account, and for the cash transaction we will write to cash account. Last, purchase goods from Govind and sold to Manohar Lal. Purchase किया, purchase की entry करेंगे, purchase account debit to Govind, and then sale की entry Manohar Lal to sales. So this is how these questions will be solved. In the next video, we will discuss about further more topics that will be covered under journal. Till then, take care and have a great day.